Hey everybody, and welcome to Cam and the Fam. Guys, I am so excited to be in the kitchen cooking for Thanksgiving. I'm telling y'all, this is one of my family's favorite holidays. So today, guys, we're making my famous mac and cheese. Everybody loves my mac and cheese. So guys, you will need cream of chicken, black pepper, elbow noodles. I have 3 different kinds of cheese of your choice. It doesn't really matter. Today I'm using 1.5 cups of milk. Normally I use 2, but I always seem to have a lot of sauce left over. So I'm using 1.5 cup of milk. I'm using onion powder, slap your mama season, sour cream, paprika. I always have a hard time with that word. I'm using 1 egg, butter, sour cream. I have some Colby Jack cheese, and I have some cheddar cheese, and I forgot the other cheese. I forgot. But anyway, guys, cheese. Whatever cheese you want to use. It might be sharp cheddar. I'm sorry. So, guys, I have 1/2. Let me say it right. I have 1/2 cup of flour. So what we're gonna, and of course you need whatever you're gonna cook it in. You need an aluminum pan or a beautiful casserole dish. So guys, let's get this mac and cheese together. Okay guys, so the recipe calls for 1/2 stick of butter. So what I always do this. I use 1/2 stick, and if I need more butter, then I add more butter. Because I always add my butter at the end as well. So we're going to go in if I have a stick of butter. Okay. So we're going to allow this butter to melt. Let me turn this down. We don't want this to overcook. And once the butter melts a little bit, we're going to go in with that flour. Okay. So I'm going to let this butter melt, and we'll bring you guys back. So guys, I've decided to use the whole stick of butter. So we're going to take this 1 stick of butter, and this is 1/2 cup of flour. And we're going to put this in slowly. And we're not going to put anyone to sleep this time, because normally when I make this, I've had people to say that it put them to sleep. So we're gonna allow this to cook, and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, we're still stirring the butter and the flour, and we're gonna let this cook for a few more minutes. I don't want to put anyone to sleep. My last video, guys, if you haven't checked out that video, go check out that video. Everybody loved the stirring. So bring you guys back when it's time to pour the milk in. Okay guys, so we're back, and as you see, we're stirring. We're gonna pour in our milk slowly, and this is room temperature milk. I hope I'm not putting anybody to sleep, because I've had it to happen before, guys. And we want to make sure that we don't have any lumps or bumps in that flour. So that's why we're taking our time, guys. And this is 1.5 cups of milk. I see a little lump. You gotta come up out of there. So we're gonna continue to stir this, and I will bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, I've put some cheese in here, and we're gonna continue to stir this, and I will bring you guys back once all this cheese have melted. Okay guys, so to my cheese, I'm going to add some Cajun season. Slap your mama. You can use any kind of Cajun season you like. We're going to go in with a little onion powder. And this just giving your food some flavor, that's all.
So how long did you stir the roux for? How long did you stir it for?
Oh my goodness, I've been stirring this for a while. So guys, we're gonna slowly stir this. And it's thick too. It's not all running. I don't know why people be serving all that. That just, let me stop. But guys, we have this cheese that's ready. As you can see, it is thick. It's not running everywhere. It's thick, so now it's ready for me to put the noodles in. I'm going to actually, look at that cheese boil. I'm going to now, to this, I'm going to add my cream of chicken.
It's the same color.
It is the same color. So the very last thing we need to add in now would be our egg, sour cream, and our paprika, however y'all pronounce it. So we're gonna stir this in, and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, we're getting ready to add 1 egg in here. We're gonna stir that around real good. Next, we're gonna go in with a little sour cream. And now this is a teaspoon, so I'm gonna go in. This is how I just do it. That's this right here. 1, and we know that that's way more than a teaspoon, but that's probably about a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, now we're going to add our cheese in, and I'm going to pour my cheese in, and I'll bring you guys back. So guys, I have all of that cheese. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of cheese. So we're gonna mix that in real good. We're just gonna pour this in the pan. So I'm gonna bring you guys back because this bowl is very heavy. So we'll bring you guys back. Ooh, that's a lot of cheese. You have to make sure that everything is mixed up well. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. And we have some cheese. I don't know how much of that we're gonna use because this is a lot of cheese we already have. But my family love, you know, they love it to be real cheesy. So.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go in now with some medium cheddar. And we have Colby Jack. We have, what other cheese I put in here? I put a lot of different cheese in here, guys. So we're gonna go in with a little mozzarella. Just use whatever, you know, what is your favorite cheese? Like, a lot of people like Gouda cheese. A lot of people like Swiss cheese. So whatever kind of cheese you like, that's what you put in your mac and cheese.
How much cheese you should have put is the one Key used?
No.
What is that, dry cheese?
I don't know what Key used, to be honest with you. So we have everything mixed up. And when I tell y'all, this smells so good. And this is how you want your mac and cheese. I said that in the last video, and everybody in my house was laughing, but you do not want your mac and cheese to be running everywhere. You don't. That is not a sign of a good mac and cheese. I'm sorry. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some more cheese on the top. And you can make your cheese, you know, you can make your mac and cheese different ways. It's not no one way to make your mac and cheese. I have a Like I said before, I have another mac and cheese video up there already on YouTube, and that's a good recipe. Only difference is I didn't make as much cheese sauce this time, and I took a cup of milk out. So I'm gonna sprinkle this on here. We're gonna let this cook for 45 minutes. We just only needed the brown. We let our noodles cook for like anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. And when I tell you guys, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. And put a little mozzarella on here and put some paprika on top of this, and that's gonna be it. Put a little mozzarella on here.
How long would we put it in the oven for?
For 45 minutes. It depends on how, you know, it really depends on the crust. You know, how do you want it? Do you want it dark? Do you want it? I don't like my mac and cheese real dark because I know for a fact when you let it cook like that, the bottom is burning. And a lot of people, you know, I don't know, they don't seem to realize that when it be real dark, it's burnt at the bottom. So we're gonna put a little of the paprika on top. And we're gonna put this in the oven at 375 degrees, depending on how your oven cooks. If it cooks fast, you know your oven better than I do, but I cook mine at 375 for 30 minutes. But it might take your oven a little bit longer. I wasn't meaning to put that much on there. And this just give it a really beautiful color. And if that's too much for you, you can always go in with some cheese and hide your imperfections like I'm going to do. Okay. All well. So we're going to put this in the oven and I will bring you guys back. Well guys, as you can see, it has been 35 minutes. Kim, man, could you get in that mac and cheese? Could you just go in? That parsley, I'm telling y'all, this not the parsley, but if you all put a little paprika on the top of it, it gives this golden, get in that Cam. Get in there, Cam. And that's what you want. You want your cheese to be just, oh my goodness, this looks so good. And y'all see that crisp on that mac and cheese. Y'all see, I don't even have to tell y'all. Y'all see it. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you will know every time I drop a video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I wish you guys a very happy Thanksgiving. See you guys in the next video. Bye.